Ounce by ounce, putting it together.
Small amounts, add enough to make a work of art. First of all, you need a good foundation, otherwise it's risky from the start. It takes a lot of earnest conversation, not the proper preparation. Having just the vision's no solution. Everything depends on execution. The art of making art is putting it together, bit by bit. I don't want protection. Looking for a moment to inhale the emotional connection. Every fellow workers fail, winding up the subtext by inflection. Your director is perfection.
Even if you have a small objection to the way he's handling the direction.
Art isn't easy. Every minor detail is a major decision. Have to keep things in scale. Have to hold to your vision. Feeling apprehensive that you're looking bland and inoffensive. If your wish wardrobe was extensive, don't forget the spangles are extensive. 5 feet, institution. Hands, feet, trying to relax but not too much. Trying to let out the exposition, but without exposing it as such. Trying to perform but not audition. Trying to establish recognition. Trying to persuade the electrician that just to restore that. Isn't easy.
Art isn't easy.
Every word, every line, every glance, every movement you improve and refine each improvement. Bit by bit, putting it together. Piece by piece, working out the vision night and day. What it takes is time and perseverance, dealing with details along the way. Dealing with the hazards, interference, waiting for the author's disappearance. Filling in the holes with animation, covering the flaws in the construction. Lacking any scenic ostentation. This is not a Macintosh production. Working for a tiny compensation, hoping for a thunderous ovation. The art of making art is putting it together, bit by bit, part by part, fit by fit, start by start, stride by stride, kick by kick, glide by glide, shtick by shtick, side by side, by side, by side, by side, by side. And that's it's the